Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air 2 Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to check battery health on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to firstly open Play Store because we have to install Ampere app from here. So here we have to search Ampere and we have to install this app. As you can see now we can open the app. Right here we have to click consent, OK, and here is health of our battery. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!